I went shopping again, and this will probably be the shortest video I have ever uploaded. Those who watched my previous video know that I installed a Maxtone Design diffuser. But yet again, there's this other comment that I saw and it got me thinking. Maybe bro is onto something. And I didn't sleep at night. And I thought about it, and I thought about it. And this is what I did. I decided to install the Maxtone front splitter, and I got so excited that I forgot to record this in landscape. And with that, I also decided to install the Maxtone Design wing. The Polo GTI is finally complete, and if I may say, the gloss black rims matches the body kit so perfectly. So if I may run down the cost of this body kit, you guys will be so shocked. But if you want quality, you need to pay the price. Let's start with the front splitter. So when it comes to Maxtone Design, there's two front splitters. There's version 1 and version 2. Version 2 is more aggressive and it sticks out more, but version 1 is less aggressive, which I prefer the version 1 more. And now let's go to the back. So I wanted to do the front splitter only, but I was convinced to also do the wing. So the wing is also Maxtone Design, which will match the diffuser perfectly. So the wing looks like OEM, it fits perfectly. Guys, I've never seen aftermarket fitment like this. This is real quality. Mind you, this is coming from a person that hates aftermarket body kits. But Maxtone Design, they really cook. As well, look at this diffuser. Look how this diffuser fits on this car. There's no diffuser in the South African market that look as good as this diffuser. Now let me show you the fitment of this front splitter. This is the perfect fitment. Never seen this in my life. This looks so good. You can call me a Maxtone Design glazer, but hear me out. This looks way better than the body kits you get from Boxback. And here is the final price for the body kit. It is 16,000 Rand. And now I am broke.